All right, I'm here in the playroom where all the magic and all the messes take place. I got the Bissell CrossWave. This thing is a lifesaver for us because my kids make tons of messes. Not sure if you can see this. 2 features, rug, hardwood floor. It's a wet, dry vacuum. Works on any surface. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna recreate what happens on a daily basis by throwing out some Coca-Cola. Put a little Coke right there on the floor. And then I'm going to do the hardwood feature. It immediately sucks it up into the dirty water reservoir. And then I'm gonna also put a little Coke here on the floor, right under the sun. I'm gonna do the rug feature. It's gonna not only suck it up, but it's gonna put some of this clean water down and constantly flush so that everything kind of restores back to its original state. So highly recommend this Bissell multi-surface brush CrossWave.